KOVAI Classic Industries make coconut deshelling machine. This coconut machine detaches the hard coconut shell from dehusked coconut fruit via a rotating disc cutter. An operator is required to hold the coconut fruit during the deshelling process. KCI coconut deshelling machine power source is 2 horsepower. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com.